The honourable member for Halifax Needham.
Mr. Speaker, my question is also for the Minister responsible for emergency management. Communities across Nova Scotia, especially along the coast, are vulnerable to the effects of climate change and will be affected by sea level rise. Can the Minister please describe what mapping and analysis his department is doing to help Nova Scotians prepare for the inevitable flood risks that will accompany rising sea levels?
The Honourable Minister of Municipal Affairs.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, and for the honourable member, there is a number of things going on. She may recall in this House last fall, we tabled a bill to minimum planning standards. Also, the Coastal Protection Act is a bill before this House. And there's a lot of work around the mapping going on. That bill refers to things like setbacks and protection, not to build too close. We'll continue to work with the municipalities on just those topics. Everyone recognizes the issue around climate change. We're certainly hearing a lot about that this week already in early days. We'll hear lots more about that. And we believe it's important in municipal affairs, and we'll continue to work with each and every municipality out there.
The honourable member for Halifax Needham.
Mr. Speaker, recently our caucus submitted a Freedom of Information request asking for any flood risk mapping or analysis of sea level rise or extreme weather in the past year. And the response from the department was that we are not entitled to the information requested. Mr. Speaker, can the minister please describe how it is that communities across this province are expected to plan for increased flooding if the government insists on keeping this information secret?
The Honourable Minister of Municipal Affairs.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I'm not sure why you would be told why you wouldn't be entitled to that. This is information that will be complete, that will be public. I can tell you, as Minister, that we will ensure that Nova Scotians are aware, not only of the good work that is going on and the information we are gathering around flood mapping, we're doing that for a reason, to advise Nova Scotians to take the advice that we're providing them, to be prepared and to do the right thing as we move forward around our planning. Mr. Speaker, we'll be happy to share that information when it becomes available.